visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga nangyayari sa paligid, no? I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang, no? Take what only resonates, no? So, kasi baka mamaya sabihin nyo, ay, pwede rin nagkabaligtad, no? What I'm reading is the energy, okay? You can switch the roles naman. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So it doesn't matter kung kapopost lang nito kanina or nung isang taon pa, no? Whenever you find the video, the message is also meant to find you. So bago po yan, shout out muna tayo, no, kay Lizelle Maglansang ng Tudela, Misamis Occidental, Isay Alcantara of Quezon City, and Sai RZ of Balanga, Bataan. Ayan. So simulan na natin ang reading. The Three of Wands, the Tower, and the Judgment. Siguro ito yung pagkakataon na iniisip natin, meron pa bang pag-asa, no, itong relationship na ito. May mga pagkakataon siguro na inaantay natin kung magre-reach out ba si person, kung mayroon ba siyang mga gustong gawin, no, sa relationship. May mga pagkakataon din na siguro inaantay din natin, no, apart from the communication, magpakita siya kasi if in case baka naka-block, no, tayo o baka siya. So inaantay natin na magpakita siya to fix the connection. So, may mga pagkakataon din na probably nawawala na tayo ng pag-asa dahil medyo matagal-tagal na rin itong ating pag-iintay. The Tower clarified with the Ace of Wands and the Maiden of Swords. So, although kasi meron kayong connection, no, before, although nasa isang relasyon kayo, parang nawawala kasi yung passion. Someone here can literally be parang na-fell out of love or baka yun kasi iniisip, no? Meron ditong assumption na ay hindi na ako mahal ni person. So nawawala yung passion. The Maiden of Swords in here parang I am just connecting with the person for the sake of yung pangalan na lang or yung label na lang. Pero yung intimacy, yung actions, no, even making love, hindi ko na nafe-feel. So parang nandito yung Maiden of Swords na ang connection namin is yung label, no, magjowa kami. So parang meron dito nakaisip na kung ganun lang din, no, siguro kasi syempre masakit yun para sa akin na walang nangyayari sa relationship namin. So might as well kaysa masaktan ako, isang sakitan na lang, no? I will separate myself from this relationship. So with the Empress and the Ace of Cups, parang you focused yourself, sa sarili mo. Wala namang masama. Kung nasasaktan ako ng ibang tao at kaya ko naman magmahal ng ibang tao, bakit hindi mahalin ko yung sarili ko, no? For sure, hindi ko sasaktan ng sarili ko. For sure, hindi ko ipagkakait yung oras, no, na hinihingi ko sa ibang tao. Of course, iba pa din yung love, no, na nafe-feel natin kapag ibang tao yung nagbibigay sa atin. Pero parang sa'yo, sinabi mo, complete naman ako na ako mag-isa, no? So probably you are focusing on yourself, you're nagpapapayat, nagpapataba. It doesn't matter. You want something changed, some changes physically rather. So for a few numbers of you, meron ako ditong nakikita na medyo masakit ang puson. It's not the lack of the sexual activity. I don't know. It could be something that that you probably medyo inaano na, no? Parang tinitiis yung pain or matagal na itong nararamdaman. So I would love for you to have, consult, no? A medical practitioner para at least maagapan, no? With the balance, I'm also seeing acid reflux, no? The Seven of Pentacles and the Hangman. I think that siguro naiisip mo ngayon, if in case babalik si person, tatanggapin ko pa ba? Because you don't know if you love the person anymore. Yes, nandun yung love, pero it's not the same kind of love that you felt before. Kasi with the Seven of Pentacles, sa tagal siguro ng pagka-idol, no, ng relationship, parang kahit bumalik siya, magpakita siya, alam mo sa sarili mo, yung emotion is not the same anymore. Yes, nandun yung pain, probably that's part of moving forward, or probably this is you just growing and loving yourself more. Seven of Pentacles is clarified with the Eight of Pentacles and the Hermit. Ito kasi yung sinasabi natin na habang tumatagal ang silence, habang tumatagal yung hindi pakikipag-usap, habang tumatagal yung hindi ko nakikita, it could be that nasasanay na ako or my emotion is getting numb. Kaya hindi ko sure, no? Hindi ko sinasarado ang pinto ko, but then again, pag nagpakita siya, I don't feel it's going to be the same emotion, no? Like I felt before with the Witch of Pentacles and the Five of Swords. So nakikita natin dito na kaya siguro ganyan din yung nararamdaman mo ngayon at iniisip-isip mo siya dahil eto na, medyo nagpaparamdam si person. Nauna yung energy kasi I feel like meron kayong deeper connection nitong person na ito. And the deeper connection makes me more realize that you don't need a verbal communication. It felt like yung energy niya nafe-feel mo na approaching because your person is going to approach you. Meron na ditong sense of urgency and probably this is more of wanting to win you back with the Five of Swords. Now you might feel na I'm losing everything, that I'm losing things, I'm losing this relationship. Pero you don't know, parang magkakaroon dito ng tug of war, no? Parang hihilahin ka niya pabalik, no? Doon sa dating meron kayo. So, yeah, this is your reading. Bago natin i-check ang zodiac sign ng person mo, I want you to know na please mag-comment kayo kung kayo nakaka-resonate. That would definitely help the channel. And kung gusto niyo pong ma-shout out, please do comment, no? Ang inyong name and location para ma-shoutout kayo. Kung kayo may mga katanungan, meron po dyan sa description box ng video na ito. There is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now let's check the zodiac sign. I am seeing Libra, Taurus, Scorpio, Virgo. I am seeing Capricorn. I'm seeing, yeah, Scorpio is very dominant, no? Leo is here. I'm seeing Sagittarius, Gemini. I'm seeing Cancer, no? This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.